This is a review of the Frontier Co-op Elderflower European, and I bought these as an addition to my nightly tea blend that I have customized. And this is the 16-ounce size, and it comes in some nice packaging. It does not reseal. Oh, they smell fantastic. And I did use some of this already for my tea blends. Oh, it smells so good. So I just wanted to show you the elderflower that comes in the 1-pound package of the Frontier Co-op European elderflower package. And they taste phenomenal. Oh, so good.